To easily create infographic for free, I recommend that you go to canva.com, a free service that you can use all these designs and templates to create your designs. So go to over here and type in infographic. Just click it. And over here you can see that you have lots and lots of templates. On the left side, go scroll a bit, click this free. And over here you can choose the template that you can use. For example, fun facts about shark. Just click it and you will have this infographic. To zoom a bit, click this slider, go up. And you can change the texts, backgrounds, and so on and so on. Just click over here, you can change the font. For example, like this. You can change the color of this background image. Just click on it, click over here on the top and choose, for example, this one. Just double click it and type in some text over here and just add or remove the elements you want, like this. To add elements, go over here on the left side and just type in, for example, fish. Just click on it and add, for example, the shark, like this. You can change it to bring it to front, go to position and to front, so it will be up here. You can add this one and so on and so on. To print your infographic, you can go up here, print infographics, but it will cost you. So if you want to go free, just click download over here and click this PDF print suggested. And this is it. Thanks for watching.